Hi guys, welcome back to a YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we apply bending picture semi-transparent effect in Microsoft Excel, or sometimes we say bending picture semi-transparent layout. So to apply it, just select the picture and then click on this Format tab. After clicking on Format tab, you have to click on this picture layout which is present in picture style. After clicking there, the third option in the second row you have, that is bending picture semi-transparent text. You can keep your cursor over there to have a preview on your actual picture, or if you want to apply, then you can click on that. And just after clicking, that effect will be applied on your actual picture. Now this small arrow will be shown there where you can click and add the text whatever you want to keep. After adding text, you can press enter to add more pictures and more caption. Similarly, if you press back, then that picture will be deleted including the text. I will close it, and whatever you want to edit related to this text, the picture or the layout, you can select it, and in the Smart Art tools design and format, these things are related to the layout, and in this picture tools, this format related only to this picture. So to edit this picture, you can select the picture, and by clicking on this Format tab, you can edit the border, or you can change the effect, or if you want to edit this text, then you can select the text and use this font group to edit the text. As the text block is semi-transparent, so I would add the dark theme color over there, and let's change the style. So this way guys, you can have semi-transparent layout of bending picture effect. Hope you like this video guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.